Okay. Hey, what's up, Harold? So, I don't know if you can see, but there's some little seedlings in there down in the corner. That's some of my tobacco seeds that must have gotten washed out the soil blocks. Oops. Let's do something about it. So here's the tobacco blocks. These are the first blocks we did. So here's the one super good tobacco germinated block. And the others are just kind of, there's like one or two. Of course, the ones in the tray that we found. But the other blocks are kind of nothing. So we're going to get those seedlings into some blocks here. And give it a good spritz. But that's one of the problems that I'm having with the other blocks. Like, we started them very dry and they dried out fast, unfortunately. And it's just been, you can't really, I can't really seem to get them to soak up water. I'll give it another soak tonight, but got two more here at least. Probably the tiniest transplants I've ever done right there. Is that it? Probably by a long shot. There's a pepper. There's something that happens a lot for me too, is the peppers don't seem to be able to shed their the seed husk, and doesn't turn out too great for them. Yeah, here's the jalapeno. It's pretty good. This one was the first one to pop up, but again, see how the soil, man, it just dries out so fast. And it breaks. So, the other soil blocks, they're still super, got plenty of humidity in them. Actually, let me split these guys down. So as long as I can keep that going, should be fine. That one, like that one's, the leaves never started coming out. Um, we do have a seed exchange actually on the Discord. It's I've done quite a bit of seed trading in the past, that's for sure. Yeah, it's down. I think it's down in the garden area. This is last year's tomato tray. Um, should I start my zucchini? You know, Carlo, I was thinking the same thing. The real determining factor for me is how much space I've got. You know what I mean? If I can fit them, I'm gonna do it. I think I can fit them. I was just looking. I got a lot of space. Um, yeah, I mean, if you got some stuff, just list whatever you got, and if you're looking to trade, someone should pick it up if they're interested. I got a lot of seeds. I mean, you get so many seed. If you buy seeds, you get a lot, typically, depending on what. Um, like tomato seeds, you get a lot less. Pepper seeds, you get way less. But cabbage seeds, you get way too much. You know what I mean? So, yeah. I mean, they'll last a long time. Seeds will actually last quite a while if they're fresh when you get them. Usually they're grown, and I think it's at least a year. You know, like you're not getting seed that was grown and harvested that year. It's either like a year, at least 1 year, at best 1 year, but probably like at least a couple years because they got to do, they got to test the seed for germination, then they go through a whole process. But I've got, you know, at least 10 and even older in some cases seed that does pretty good still. So, yeah, go for it. Let's make one more tray. And This might be enough.
I hope it is.
Yeah. Yeah, I've got some weird stuff that I've been saving. Like I've got mullein seed. I've got self-heal. I got stinging nettles. Um, you know, weird shit. Oh, what was the other one? Buckwheat.